Hi, this is Sandeep again. So this is the second part of the video. On the first part, I have shown you how to copy the map of um, Garmin satnav on the pen drive, and how to install how to upload the file on the pen drive. So on this in this part, I'll show you how to install that uploaded part from the pen drive into the car. So the first thing, so I'm going to turn the car on. Then this is the pen drive where I have uploaded the update of the navigation. I'm going to put this thing in the USB port of the car. So it's uploaded. Then the same thing, you know, just need to go to your navigation, then go to setting, scroll down, then go to device, and you can see update map. Just update, and here you could see this um, message on the dashboard. Oh, so here, do you want to continue, yes or no? Just press S. Okay, so now it's installing. So it's going to take a while. So it might take like 5 to 10 minutes. So just make sure your car is running, and once it's 100%, it's done. So this is the way how I update my navigation on my Honda HRV, and I think it's the same procedure for all of the car as well. Thank you for watching.